Page 22, theme from a Hungarian Rhapsody No. 2, a very famous piano piece. It's a fun piece. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats, we're in the key of C major. So make sure you can do the C major scale and the A minor scale at least 2 octaves up and down. I got videos, you can go do everything in the videos. Here. Watch the fingering, it's a thumb on the F natural. Go to the measure 17, top of page 23, is a different melody here. We need to hear that rest. It's just a C scale going up. You get another C scale going up, measure 29. So forth. Okay. That's it. Now the articulation, it's left hand is all detached, staccato throughout the whole thing until the end. The half note, those are not staccatos. Those okay, but otherwise the left hand's all staccato, and the right hand accent. Accenting on beat 3 rather than beat 1, because the natural accent, the stronger one, is on beat 1. Now we're forcing it to be on beat 3, but only in the right hand. So forth. Then when you get to measure 17, get these accents. Measure 21. Again, I'm doing this at the wrist in the left hand, and to keep it simple, then I'm doing the same in the right hand because it's the same technique. So I just bump, bump, bump. There. Then dynamics applies to the right hand. The left hand needs to be in the background throughout. So whatever you think loud is, that makes the accented notes very loud. And then when you get to measure 17, well, it's measure 16 really, you slow down and then come down to soft. The left hand's very soft, and the accented note then would be like a medium soft. You crescendo up to about a moderately loud here. 21, measure 21, and then 25 you're loud. Don't get loud till 25. It makes the, like you were with it. Then measure 29, come back down to soft and go back up. All the way up to loud and then very loud. With the accents, I disagree. I see no point in having an accent on a very loud note. Just play it very loud, okay? That's good enough. You want loose wrists, relaxed wrists. Don't play with stiff. Don't start pounding on it. That's the problem. That gives a rather harsh sound. So keep the wrist loose. They're shock absorbers. And you can play loud and let the wrist collapse a little bit. Then speed, well, that's where the fun comes in, because it's a fairly quick piece, but it's not all the same speed. You go listen to a recording of a piano player actually playing the Rhapsody, and when they get to this, you'll find it goes at different speeds. It's not slow, it's quick. But measure 9, just go a little faster, not a lot. Measure 17, it says gradually faster and faster to the end. Well, good luck. I think the key word there is gradually, because don't speed up too soon or you're going too fast. So take your time on this, maybe like a line at a time. Just something like that. Just take your time on the speeding up thing. There's no pedal in this, of course, because we need to hear the staccatos, and those are important.